হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, চেই মেকানিক্যাল ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে তোমাদের সকলকে স্বাগত। আজকে আমি কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সামে খুব গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কিছু প্রশ্ন উত্তর নিয়ে তোমাদের সাথে আলোচনা করব। তো চলো শুরু করা যাক। দ্য ইউনিট অফ এসআই সিস্টেম অফ ফোর্স ইজ নিউটন। 1 kg force is equal to 9.8 Newton. The resultant of two force P and Q acting at an angle theta is root over P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. The maximum frictional force which comes into play when a body just begins to slide over the surface of the other body is known as limiting friction. An ideal machine is one whose efficiency is 100%. The unit of stress in SI units is Newton per millimeter square, kilonewton per millimeter square, na Newton per meter square, na any one of these. The unit of strain, no unit. Hooke's law holds good up to elastic limit. The ratio of the lateral strain to the linear strain to the volumetric strain is called Poisson ratio. A leaf spring is supported at the center and loaded at the ends. Rivets are generally specified by shank diameter. A welded joint as compared to riveted joint has more strain. Euler's formula holds good only for short column. Factor of safety is defined as the ratio of ultimate stress to the working stress. A Pelton wheel is a tangential flow impulse turbine. 16. A centrifugal pump speed impeller, the maximum value of the vane exit angle is 20 to 25 degree. A hydraulic press is a device used to lift larger load by the application of the comparatively much smaller force. The absolute zero temperature is taken as minus 273 degree centigrade. The specific heat of water is 4.187. The first law of thermodynamics deals with conservation of energy. The molecular mass expressed in gram, 1 gram mole of all gases NTP occupies a volume of 22.4 liter. An isothermal process is governed by Boyle's law. An adiabatic process is one in which no heat enters or leaves the gas. The temperature of the gas changes. The change in internal energy is equal to the mechanical work done. Now all of the above. It answer হবে all of the above. When perfect gas is expanded through an aperture of minute dimension, the process is known as throttling process. A closed vessel made of steel and used for the generation of steam is called steam boiler. The performance of boiler is measured by amount of water evaporated per hour, steam produced in kilogram per hour, steam produced in kilogram per kg of fuel burnt. All of these, এটা all of these হবে. A steam nozzle converts heat energy of the steam into kinetic energy. The turbine blades are curved. The theoretically correct mixture of air and petrol is 15:1. Diesel as compared to petrol is more difficult to ignite. The pressure at the end of compression in diesel engine is approximately 35 bar. The scavenging efficiency of a 4-stroke cycle diesel engine is between 95 and 100. The correct mixture strength by weight for petrol is about 14.6:1. The air fuel ratio of petrol engine is controlled by carburetor. A spark plug gap is kept from 0.3 to 0.7 mm. আর ইগনিশন কোয়ালিটি অফ পেট্রোল কী দিয়ে ডিফাইন করা যায়? অকটেন নাম্বার দিয়ে। আর ইগনিশন কোয়ালিটি অফ ডিজেল কি দিয়ে এক্সপ্রেস করা হয়, সিটের নাম্বার দিয়ে। দ্য পেট্রোল ইঞ্জিন, দ্য ডিলে পিরিয়ড ইজ অফ দ্য অর্ডার অফ 0.002 সেকেন্ড। দ্য ব্রেক পাওয়ার ইজ দ্য পাওয়ার অ্যাভেলেবেল অ্যাট দ্য ক্র্যাঙ্কশ্যাফট। ফ্রিকশনাল পাওয়ার ইজ ইকুয়াল টু কি, আইপি মাইনাস বিপি, ইন্ডিকেশন পাওয়ার বাই ব্রেক পাওয়ার। The air standard efficiency of an IC engine depends on compression ratio. The thermal efficiency of petrol and gas engines about 30%. The first nuclear power plant in India was located at Tarapur. A perfect black body is one which absorbs heat radiation of all wavelengths falling on it. 1 ton refrigeration, 1 TR means that the heat removing capacity is 210 kilojoule per minute. The capacity of domestic refrigerator is in the range of 0.1 to 0.3 TR. In air conditioning of aeroplanes using air as a refrigerant, the cycle used in reversed Brayton cycle. The lowest temperature during the cycle in a vapor compression systems occurs after evaporation. In domestic refrigerator, a capacity tube controls the flow of refrigerant from the expansion valve to the evaporator. In Electrolux refrigerator, ammonia evaporates in hydrogen. The color of the flame of halide torch in case of leakage of ferron refrigerant will change to bright green. The boiling point of ammonia is minus 33.3 degrees centigrade. 53. The thermostatic expansion valve in a refrigeration system ensures the evaporator completely filled with refrigerant of the load. The thermostatic expansion valve is also called constant superheat valve. The process generally used in water air conditioning to warm and humidity the air is called heating and humidification. A human body feels comfortable when the heat produced by the metabolism of human body is equal to heat dissipated to the surrounding and heat stored in the human body, এই দুটোর সাম হবে, অর্থাৎ অপশন হবে সি। দ্য অ্যালাইনমেন্ট সার্কেল ইজ এ মার্কড অন দ্য psychrometric chart at 26 degree centigrade DBT and 50% relative humidity. Which of the following property is essential for spring material resilience? The material commonly used for crane hook is wrought iron. The steel widely used for motor car crankshaft is chrome steel. The ball bearings are usually made from medium carbon steel. For hardening alloy steel and high speed steels, they are heated to 1100 to 1300 degrees centigrade. The material generally used for aircraft components is aluminium. The pipe joint mostly used for pipes carrying water at low pressure is socket joint. The edge of the boiler plates are beveled to an angle of 80 degree. The railway carriage couplings have buttress thread. The washer is generally specified by its hole diameter. In a steam engine, the valve rod is connected to an eccentric rod by means of knuckle joint. The standard length of shaft কত হয়, 5 meter, 6 meter না 7 meter, all of these. Which of the following spring is used in mechanical wrist work? Torsion spring. The gears are termed as medium velocity gear if the peripheral velocity 3 থেকে 15 meter per second. The helix angle for single helical gears range from 20 to 35 degree. In arc welding, the electric arc is produced between the work and electrode is contact resistance. Which of the following welding process uses non-consumable electrode? TIG welding. Thermite welding is often used in replacing broken gear, replacing broken shear, joining rail, truck frames and locomotive frames. সবকটাই হবে। In forehand welding, the angle between the welding rod and work is kept 30 to 40 degree. The material which can be best cut with oxygen cutting process is mild steel. A galvanizing is a process of coating zinc by hot dipping. A cold chisel is made from cast tool steel. For cutting brass, the hacksaw blade should be 14 teeth per 25 mm. A hacksaw blade is specified by its length. V block is used to check the trueness of the flat surface. Now locate center of round rods. Now check the surface roughness. Now none of this. এগুলো তিনটের একটাও জন্য ভি ব্লক ব্যবহার করা হয় না। A ring gauge is used to check the diameter of the shaft or stud. Now test the accuracy of the hole. Now check the clearance between the two matching surface. Now all of the above. Ring gauge ব্যবহার করা হয় check the diameter of the shaft or stud. The algebraic difference between the minimum limit and the basic size is called lower division. The most suitable heating temperature for forging low carbon steel is 1300 degrees centigrade. 86. In 4-stroke engine, the working cycle is completed in revolution of the crankshaft. 2 revolution. Which turbine is most efficient at part load operation? Francis turbine. The nozzle placed at the end of a water pipe line discharge water at the medium velocity, low velocity, high velocity, none. Low velocity. A flow in town water supply pipes is generally GI pipe, turbulent, both, none. A atmospheric pressure at the sea level is 10.3 meter of water, 760 mm of mercury, 103 kilonewton per meter square. All of this. The quantity of gas generated in a mold made from synthetic sand as compared to silica sand is less. Fluidity of metal is generally influenced by pouring temperature of molten metal. The following is used to prevent the green sand from sticking to the mold. Parting sand. Loam sand is used for making molds comprises of 40% clay and 10% moisture. Diameter is used to strength to find out hot strength. In case of machine molding, the patterns are mounted on match plate. Sprue is casting refers to vertical passage. 99. The system of manufacturing in which of the dimension of parts lie within some specified limit is known as interchangeable system. The tolerance are specified on components because it is not possible to the exact size. তো আজকে এই পর্যন্তই। যদি ভিডিওটি তোমাদের ভালো অবশ্যই একটি লাইক করে দিও এবং চ্যানেলে যদি নতুন হয়ে থাকো এবং চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটিকে প্রেস করে দিও যাতে পরের ভিডিও নোটিফিকেশান তোমরা খুব সহজেই পেয়ে যেতে পারো। তো দেখা হচ্ছে পরের ভিডিওতে। থ্যাংক ইউ।